If you want to grow rapidly in this 2022 and ahead as a content creator, you have to really create more than you consume. The demand for social media influencers and content creators have gone up the roof, and there is no way it's going to decrease. It's only an increase in the numbers of content creators coming up in the market and the number of people who would require content creator to promote their brands. So how to monetize yourself and grow profitable as a content creator? This is the exact question that I'll be answering in this video. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from this channel. The first thing that you need to take care as a content creator is that you are making people buy your expertise, because as a content creator you are doing nothing more than solving a problem. And if you want to really monetize, you need to understand that monetization means getting the money, and to get the money you need to understand that money is just a value exchange, and if you exchange the value, give the value to the market, the solution to their problem, they are going to pay you money. The second way to monetize your content can be sponsorships and brand collaborations. This can only happen if you have a loyal audience, an authentic audience, those who actually follow you and those who actually love you and who really trusts upon you, and you are credible in front of them. So to build such kind of an audience, you really would require the first thing, that is selling your expertise, so that if you are getting visible to the audience, you're also getting credible. So I hope you're clear with the two ways with which you can actually monetize yourself. Number one is selling your expertise and solving people's problem, and second thing is when you have the credibility and you have built your audience, built your community, then you can have brand collaborations and sponsorships that can actually fuel that. Moving ahead, I have the best and the perfect content strategy that I am using, and I've grown my following up to more than 1,000 followers on Instagram and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So how did I do it? For your information, let me also cover this point that today more than celebrities, content creators and influencers are being valued, because influencers and content creators can really establish a connect with their audience that actually is required for a brand to promote their products via the influencers to their audience. So you need not underestimate the power of being a content creator. Now I also understand the fact that because there is no entry barrier for the content creation in this field, anyone with a Wi-Fi and their mobile phone can create content, and this is why too many substandard contents are taking place are getting crowded in the marketplace. When you are going to be starting, you need to make sure that you are differentiating yourself from those substandard stuff so that you can establish your authority to get monetized. Tip number one that I have for you is identify what people need in this market. So you can see what else they need, what else can make their lives easier, better and comfortable. If you find that gap in the marketplace, there you get the key, the first thing to create a content upon. You need to understand that why would anyone watch your content, watch your video? Just because they are getting a solution, something that is useful for them. So to make your content really work, you have to create content on something that is a burning problem of the market. This is the tip number one. Second thing that you need to take care of is researching the content. You need to search that how many people have actually already built something upon it, or how is the competition out there. If you find people doing something on that topic, just take an inspiration and try to avoid imitation. Try not to say and state the same things that they have already stated, and state something that they haven't stated. Find out, it will take some time to find out the gaps, what are really necessary to be put inside a content, that to make it really rich content. It will take a little more time to actually find what is actually needed in the marketplace days, but believe me, it will pay you a lot more than all of the other substandard things in the marketplace. So don't underestimate the power of research, because it will actually help you make your content accurate and relevant to the audience. Third thing for you is the biggest info marketing strategy, that is setting up systems and processes. You need to make least amount of decision. As you can see, a lot of successful people, they wear the same clothes again and again, or same types of clothes again and again. Why do they do this? Because they don't want to really drain out their energy on thinking about what they want to wear every single day. So they have actually batched some of the things, systemized things, and they've actually done it in such a way that they already get things ready. They just need to pick it up and wear. Like this only, you need to set systems for your content that will actually help you to scale faster, because system works, people fail. You need to understand that if you have systems and processes that is predefined, that this is how my content is going to be processing, the much clarity you have in your processes, the much faster you're going to be scaling. And remember that when we talk about monetization, you need to understand that money loves speed. If you're just overthinking and wasting time in a lot of decision making and draining your willpower, then you won't be able to make decisions when it is needed the most. So try to save your energy, and to do this, you gotta really set up systems and processes. For example, I have a set of hashtags that I use. I have a set of ideas that I want to create content upon. I have my whole dashboard where everything is prioritized, and I've arranged and organized everything in systems and processes to make my work easier whenever I'm creating content, because content creation is something that needs to be consistent. If you're not consistent in content creation, the drawback that you may be facing is you won't be getting viral. A lot of time trendy content doesn't work, but if you're making content consistently, there is a chance that one of your videos will literally take off, or one of your quotes or anything, any posts and all will literally take off, and that one single thing can bring a lot of traction to the other rest of your content. So you need not underestimate the power of each and every single post that you are making, the videos or anything, irrespective of what the format is. Anything that you're rolling out on the social media has some importance, has a purpose to solve. So make sure that you're consistent in creating content so that those content can meet the actual goal, the actual result that it is meant for, that it has a purpose for. Next thing that I want to share with you is batch create content. When I was started, I literally tried not to batch content because I found it too boring, too hectic to at one sitting and doing everything. But you know what? If you batch create content, it will take you a very less time while you're going to post something. So you are actually not using your brain again and again to think about what I want to post right now. So it's really important that you are batch creating content at once, at least for 30 days or 90 days. You have all the set of ideas ready, what thumbnails you'll be using, what carousels you'll be making, what captions, what hashtags, everything is predefined, and it will take just 4 to 5 days, max to max 7 days to actually make it all happen. And it will literally give you the whole comfort of a whole month or a 2 or a 3. So do not underestimate the power of batch creating content. Next thing that I have for you is scheduling. There are so many apps today, and also Facebook Meta helps you to schedule things. YouTube has its own scheduling, and in Meta, Facebook also helps you schedule your Instagram posts, reels, and anything that you're posting, your carousels and all. So it's a great help that you have already scheduled the content so that you're not all the time present and thinking about that, oh my god, this is the time I want to give my content, and you are in an urgent work and you have missed out posting something. So do not miss out on being consistent. You have to really use the tools that are meant for helping you scale faster. So do not act as an unaware person. Leverage these things, these tools, because these tools are made to actually make your task easier. So leverage this to actually scale and get profitable faster. Next thing that you need to get monetized is uniqueness in your content. To actually establish your authority in the marketplace, you gotta be unique. You need to be authentic. You cannot wear masks and pretend like somebody else or some other creator out there in the marketplace. See, you are a whole new energy and your vibe attracts your tribe. So even if there are 1 million people in the same niche that you are in, you will not be facing any competition because people will coming to you for you. Later on, I will be also making a video upon that how to not be a topic content creator and how to be a content creator personality, a personal brand, so that people do not come to you for the content, but they come to you for you because they believe that you share something authentic and something that actually helps them to grow. So these were some of my tips to help you create content if you want to monetize it. Now there are next steps to it after content creation, but I don't want to overwhelm you in this video by covering all the next steps up till you get the monetization and money in your hands, because that's a whole long procedure that will not make sense if you have not implemented the things that I've given you in this video. So make sure that you don't let this video become just another crap video in the YouTube, because a lot of information you have covered till now, you can swim on YouTube and Google for 24/7 and get even more confused. But here you have got the structured methodology on how to create content. So start creating content and make sure that you are unique with it and you're creating world-class content. Now it will not happen at once. It will happen only when you're consistent with it. You're producing quantity, because quantity breeds quality. If you're fetching for quality, you need to understand that you need to produce quantity first so that you get the quality. Okay, so implement whatever you have learned in this video and then stay tuned on my channel, because soon I will be posting the next steps after content creation to actually get the money in your hands. Now to create content, you gotta research on it, and in the I button I will be putting the link to my world-class content research video through which you can understand the aesthetics and understand the principle and strategies about how to do content research so that you stand out in the marketplace. So make sure that you watch that video so that you do not get stuck anywhere. Well, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from my channel. And make sure that you tell me in the comment section what is the next topic that you want me to create a video upon. And make sure that you like this video and do the random act of kindness by sharing this video to the people who actually need it. Well, this is Vardhan Sahu signing off until we meet again.